I am especially dedicating this video to all Goans who are in Goa, in different parts of India and all around the world who just love fish curry rice. Goenkars can't do without fish curry, but nowadays people being health conscious try to avoid eating coconut. In some places coconuts are very expensive and in some places you can't find coconuts. I'm Abigail and I'm going to show y'all how to make a fish curry without using coconut on your favorite channel Abigail's Cooking Magic. It is all your love and support that encourages me to come out with new recipes like this. So I have taken kingfish slices to make the fish curry. You all can take any other fish of your choice. I have around 15 slices here and now I am going to start marinating this fish with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a little salt according to your taste, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Marinate the fish pieces well. After marinating the fish, keep it aside. And now we'll move on to the masala. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a deep pan. Once the oil is nicely heated, add 1½ chopped onion, and saute it well. Saute the onions till they change their color. Next, I am going to add 1 chopped tomato. Saute it well. Add ginger garlic paste, 1½ tablespoon. Mix, mix, mix. Next, add 1½ tablespoon of poppy seeds. It is also called khaskhas. Give it a little mix. Add 1½ teaspoon of cumin powder. And freshly chopped green coriander. Fry it well. Once the masala is cooled, put it into a mixie jar. And now I am going to add mustard seeds, 1½ tablespoon. Don't add the mustard seeds while frying, otherwise it will taste bitter. Heat a little oil in a pan. And now I am going to fry the marinated fish pieces. Don't fully fry the fish as we are going to cook it in the curry. Once fried, remove them in a plate. I have heated some oil in the same pan in which we had done the masala. And now I am going to add cumin seeds, about a pinch. Fry it. This is the blended masala. Pour it in. And give it a good mix. Add about half a teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix it. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder just for color. Add salt according to your taste. And mix. Once it starts boiling, I am going to add the water. I am adding around 2 glasses of water. You can add more water if you want more gravy. Let this come to a boil, and after it comes to a boil, I am going to add my fried fish pieces. So it's come to a boil. Now I'm going to add my fried fish pieces. Give it a little mix. Close it and let it boil. Keep it on medium gas. So till my fish is boiling, I am going to blend the curds. About 3 tablespoons of curds. And now I am going to blend it. Pour in the blended curds. And gently mix it. Keep on slow flame. Let it boil for about a minute or 2. My fish curry is done and I am going to remove it in a serving dish. I am removing the fish slices out first. And then I am pouring the gravy. I am garnishing my fish curry with 2 green chilies, and some finely chopped coriander. My fish curry without coconut is ready. I hope you all like it. If you all like my recipe, give a big thumbs up and also share this recipe with your friends and family. I hope you all enjoyed this Ruchichi Nustiachi Kodi. Bye, love you.